Hello, my name is Megan Truick, and today I want to talk about one of my favorite topics, special needs. And importantly, I want to talk about the 5 key measures that you need to take when you're doing estate planning for special need individuals, or you're doing your estate plan, but you have a special needs beneficiary that you need to plan for. 5 things. First, you need to think about the capabilities of your special needs loved ones. Not all special needs people need the same supports. Maybe one needs supports to just help them with their finances. Maybe another needs total support from wake up to falling asleep. But for many of our special needs family members, they may be able to decide where they live, what they do, what kind of employment they do. But maybe they need help when it comes to paying the bills. Maybe they need help when it comes to setting that doctor's appointment and remembering to actually attend the appointment. So that's one thing. What's the capability of your loved ones? Second, what government benefits are they receiving right now? Many people think that they cannot leave anything to their special needs loved one because it may bump them off or kick them off their government benefits. That is so not true. What matters is how you leave it for that special needs individual. And one of the wonderful ways you can do that is in an ABLE account or in a special needs trust. Therefore, your loved ones can inherit from you, can take advantage of what you have left them, can improve their quality of life, but they still qualify for their government benefits. They still get, for instance, Medicaid, so that they can have those life-sustaining needs met. Third, guardianship. For our special needs individual, of course, they don't always need a guardianship. If they're a minor, then they don't need it. However, when they're 18, in order for you to help them make those medical decisions, in order for you to make those medical decisions, in order for you to make those financial decisions, if they have assets, you have to think about guardianship. You're going to have to go to the court. You're going to have to ask the court, can I get guardianship over my special need loved ones so that I can help to take care of them? And therefore, within the estate plan, you have to think about, is the guardian going to have access to the assets? Or do you want to put the money in a trust and then the guardian is only the guardian of that loved one's person, but not their finances? So you have to weigh that. Fourth, survivorship. You are not going to live forever. I know we all want to live forever, but we all have that appointment we're not going to miss. Who is going to be there for your loved ones when you're not there? Who have you set up? Who is going to succeed in your stead? That's a main issue that you want to think about. You don't want to just think about while you're alive. You want to think about when you make that appointment to be with the Lord. Fifth, the final distribution of the trust assets. That means after your special need loved ones is done using the asset, what's going to happen? In this situation, if you set up a trust, then you can designate as the third party trustor. You're creating the trust for the benefit of another. You can say, okay, when my special needs loved one Dorothy is done, then I want the assets to be poured out to my other children. However, if Dorothy is the one that set up the trust, because yes, if you have assets, you can actually have a first party special needs trust. In that situation, if Medicaid or anything paid out for your benefit, then that government entity will have to be paid first, and then you can decide within your estate plan, within your trust or whatever, who will take the balance thereafter. So those are the 5 measures that I want you to really consider when you're doing estate planning for a special needs individual. This is one of the most loving things that you can do for that person. My name again is Megan Truick, and I'm with the law office of Brian Fagan, where we treat you like family, and oftentimes even better. Hello, thank you for watching our video. And because you made it to the end of that video, we're offering you our new estate planning handbook. This is a wonderful tool, and I'm sure you like it. Go ahead, download the link, and let's get learning together.